Let's see how to close a document using a shortcut key in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, there are three ways that you can close your Microsoft Word document. First is by using your mouse and by clicking on this X right here, which will close Microsoft Word as a window. Now, another method that you can do is by clicking Alt F4 on your keyboard, and that will do the same thing as well. Now, the third method that you can do is by clicking Ctrl+W on your keyboard simultaneously. And this is what it will look like if I want to close this document right here. And as you can see, that document has been closed and we are now back to our original document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.